that I'm going to use then. Okay, so I can, do the plus 8 first, but right away I'm kind of distracted by that fraction. So I'm just going to say, well, I don't like that divide by 5, so I'm just going to times everything by 5. So I end up with 5 divide 5 times 5 cancel, so I'm just left with 3 times x. I have to remember to make everything, this part, 3 times bigger. Sorry, 5 times bigger. Right? This needs to be 40. I need to make the 13 5 times bigger, and that's going to stay balanced. Now this becomes a much simpler looking equation. I'm not distracted by my fraction anymore, and I can just deal with these whole number parts. Divide by 3, divide by 3. I end up with x equals 35. Okay, so same thing here. I'm looking at this fraction. I'm thinking, oh, I don't like that. I'm distracted by that divide by 4. So I'm just going to times both sides by 4. Okay, and it's going to stay balanced because I'm doing left side and right side by 4. Every piece gets 4 times bigger, but the times 4 and divide 4 cancel. So I'm left with n. 4 times 18 is, what's that going to be? That's going to be 92. Okay. Sorry, that's not 92, that's 72. That's equal to 3. And then add 72 to both sides. Okay, again, make sure you're showing your steps because that's what you're being marked on. And works out to be 75. Okay, so that's my answer. So here I have a divide by 3 and a divide by 2. Well, I think I'm just going to get rid of those divides by multiplying by 2 and multiplying by 3. Okay, so really I'm just multiplying by the lowest common denominator, which is 6. So the times 3 divide 3 cancel, so I'm left with 2x times 2. That 1, nothing cancels, so I'm going to times it by 6. Nothing cancels with the 3, so I'm going to times the 3 by the 2 times 3, which is 6. The times 2 divide 2 cancel, so I'm just left with x and my times 3. Okay, so just clean this up a bit. 4x plus 6 is equal to 18 plus 3x. So now I went from an equation with all these fractions there. It was kind of hard to interpret. Now this is much easier. I can just go minus 3x, minus 3x, minus 6, minus 6. So I end up with 1x is equal to 12, and there's my solution.